Littleton, a classic New England town located in the White Mountains of New Hampshire. Set along this charming award-winning main street is the Littleton Community Center. The Littleton Community Center is a 125-year-old Queen Anne mansion first built as a private residence in 1884, then dedicated to the town in 1919 to be used as a community gathering place. Today, the center remains a popular choice for hosting community events, family celebrations, and town meetings. The center receives more than 7,000 visits by local residents and tourists each year. Thanks to the AARP Community Challenge Grant, the Littleton Community Center will be purchasing new audio-video equipment so people unable to travel to the center will have the option of attending town meetings. Upgraded high-speed internet will be available throughout the house to enhance our users' experience. A new security and fire alarm system will be installed, along with new lightweight meeting tables to make meeting setup easier for our volunteers. We look forward to implementing and promoting these important upgrades to the center and increasing our reach in the Littleton community.